about this dude got me thinking. My mind just keeps digging deeper and deeper. All I see is summer 13. Way back. Flashback, getting that easy money. As I slowly start to rise, I only got my eyes on one thing now. The only thing that should matter. Summer 16. Summer 16. Summer 16. Summer 16. Flashback to a kid when we're up the street. Ain't got no worries with them slips on my feet. I started my career with a pen and a sheet, and I finish on that track with a trail of heat. It's a new season, so the leaves start to change. I got them running mad, so they work on the pace. Leader of the one, and my brother's in the race. You don't like our names, too bad, it's all over the place. Struggle is alive, since this is our last. We in a movie, I'm the star of the cast. I'm Jimmy Neutron, so you know I got a blast. You don't feel the flow, then you better run fast. I'm asking you, bro, what's good, what's kicking? You run with your brain like a no-head chicken. Ladies run my snap, and I know the reason. Switching up the flow since it is the new season.
Catch me on the saxophone, catch me on the flute. Instruments, instruments, what do I do? Catch me on the saxophone, catch me on the flute. Instruments, instruments, what do I do? 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 Catch me on the saxophone, catch me on the flute.
My mama always told me to never act reckless. Once I got big, gave her a $1 million necklace. Funny how once I got big, they start talking. Once I got sick, they all start coughing. They calling Mr. Pearson, oh wait dog, that's me. Ladies playing with the L-O-V-E. Why you coming at me for no reason? They all want my blood since it is the new season. The new season. The new season. The new season. The new season.